How you doing, Grammar Gang? And welcome to our first ever official MC Grammar visits. But where are we? Let's have a look at a few clues just for you. What's it out yet? I'll tell you now. We are at the London Fire Brigade for an Access All Areas behind the scenes exclusive tour for you to discover and explore. Let's go. Help! Whoa! MC Grammar visits
the fire station.
I'm here at Shadwell Fire Station, about to meet our first real-life superhero. Mo, are you there?
My name is Mo. I'm a sub-officer in the London Fire Brigade and my favourite food is chicken curry.
Whoa, that was so cool. I want to see it again. Check this out.
Sir! Sir! Going to east. For your duties, fall out.
So we've just seen a roll call at Shadwell Fire Station. Mo, what is a roll call?
A roll call is just like a register at school. It's to make sure that the firefighters are fit and well and ready to take part for operational duties that day.
Now you know what a roll call is. Shh, listen up crew. Throughout this video, you will discover fantastic facts about firefighters. Why? Because I'm gonna put them into a rap just for you. Check out this sneak peek.
London's burning, London's burning, fetch the engine.
Slow down there. To complete the rap, I need my facts. So where are they at? Whoa, the thinking cap. But how many do we need?
5.
5. Okay, let's do this. Wow, behind me right now, we have an exclusive sneak peek at some of the drills they do here at the London Fire Brigade to keep the city safe every day. Let's have a look. I'm about to have a go on the hose. It's very loud and I'm super excited. You ready? Let's do this. Whoa! I'm getting wet. Woo! All right. As you can see, that is super cool, but super wet too. I'm at the top of a tower for the firefighter drill. They're gonna put the ladder up. I'm excited. They're gonna save me. They are certainly real life superheroes. Check this out. Help! I'm at the top of the tower, 100 feet high in the sky, and I'm about to be saved by a real-life firefighter. Is he coming? Here he is. Yes. See? I told you they were real-life superheroes. Remember, we are in a real-life fire station and the alarm can sound at any time, so we need to be ready. Mo, how long do you have, though, when the alarm rings to get to the engines and go?
MC Grammar, the firefighters have got 60 seconds to get down, get dressed and onto the fire engine.
60 seconds? That is super fast. And how long does it take you to get to the destination?
And then they have 6 minutes to get to their destination.
2 fantastic facts. You know what? I'm going to add them to the thinking cap. We're very lucky. Mo has agreed to show us what the alarm sounds like when he gets a call out. You ready, Mo?
I'm ready, MC Grammar.
Here we go. Wow, it's loud. And it started some machine as well, look. And this, what happens here, Mo?
That's the printer for the address. It tells us where we're going and we need to be there within 6 minutes.
So you grab that,
and we
take
grab that
with you.
and we go onto the fire engine and we head to where we need to go.
Oh my gosh, so now you know the sound. If you hear that again in this episode, that means it's a real life call out. So be ready. And now I'm super excited. We're about to play our extra special game of True or False, but I need some help. Becky, are you there?
Hi, my name is Becky. I'm from London and I've been in the London Fire Brigade for 1.5 years now, and my favourite food is pasta.
Becky is a super firefighter, and did you know boys and girls can be firefighters? The service is for everyone.
Now that's a cool fact. I know what I'm gonna do with that. Put it in the thinking cap and save it for my rap.
So Becky, what's your favourite part about being a firefighter?
I like helping people on a day-to-day basis. That's what I joined the job for.
How amazing is that? Will you help me play this game now, Becky?
Of course, let's do it.
Let's go. Time to play true or false. You're going to learn with me at home. So what do you have to do? You're going to hear a question from Becky and then you decide if it's true or false. If it's true, you step to the green side of the screen. If it's false, you step to the red side of the screen. It's up to you. We will pause for 5 seconds while you make your decision and then move on to the next question. You ready? Over to Becky with the questions.
So, question 1, true or false? The London Fire Brigade is the busiest fire and rescue service in the UK.
London is a very busy place, lots of people, so I'm going to say true.
Yeah, you're correct. Well done. Winner! Question 2. The London Fire Brigade never rescue cats that are stuck up trees.
Rescuing cats? You're far too busy for that. I'm going to say true.
We actually do rescue cats. We save other animals as well, but what we would say is call the RSPCA first and they will advise as to whether we need to come out or not. Firefighters are animal lovers too.
I'm ready for the third and final question.
You can join the London Fire Brigade from the age of 17 and a half years old.
17. That's kind of young. No, I'm going to say false.
It's actually true. You can join the London Fire Brigade from the age of 17 and a half years old.
Wow, a ton of amazing facts there. I've learned so much. Did you learn a lot at home? How did you do? Remember, you can play that game with your crew too. RTC, what does that mean? Good news is we've got Firefighter Becky to tell us what that means.
So RTC stands for road traffic collision, and we actually deal with a lot more road traffic collisions than we do fires at the minute.
So why have we got a random car here, Becky, and what do you do with it?
So we get delivered them by local car compounds. They donate them to us so that we can practice as a team to make sure that we're ready for when it happens in real life.
Any chance that we can see one of those drills now?
Of course, let's bring in Mo.
Come on, Mo.
Working, cutting, up.
Wow, follow me. Mo, Becky, so why have you cut it here? What's the reason? Tell us the typical scenario why this happens.
Because normally when we want to get someone out of the car, the best thing to do is to take the whole roof off. So this is one of the cuts that we would do in order to take the whole roof off, allowing us the most access to try and help that person.
Is that because the door might be jammed and you can't open the door?
Yeah, so it's normally something as simple as we can't get them out any other way, and the safest way is to get them out by taking the roof off and out the back.
Literally have to cut the car apart to get them out.
Yes, which we thoroughly enjoy sometimes.
And you use this.
We use these really brilliant bits of equipment, which are very robust and can cut most metals.
Can I try and hold it? Is it heavy?
Yeah, they are heavy, which is one of the reasons as a firefighter you need to be fit and strong.
Oh wow, that is super, super heavy. Yep, this is very, very heavy. You can tell these firefighters are super strong. That's why we call them superheroes, right? We're so lucky to be at Shadwell Fire Station in London. Mo, how many fire stations does London actually have?
The London Fire Brigade has over 100 fire stations.
Wow, that's another fantastic fact. I'm going to put it in my thinking cap. Now, Mo, does this station have anything super special about it?
Well, not every station has a pole drop, but at Shadwell we have 2 pole drops. We have that one and we have this one, and it helps us get down to the fire engine much quicker so we can get out the doors quicker.
Mo, can you show us how it works?
I can show you now, MC Grammar.
Yeah, let's have a look. Okay, Mo, we know from the alarm you have 1 minute to come down, get changed and get into the engine. The question is, how long does it take to get changed? And do you think I could be a firefighter? Let's find out.
I think you can, MC Grammar. Let's find out. Let's time you.
You got a prediction?
I think you can do it in 30 seconds, MC Grammar.
It's a lot of pressure. Okay, I'm ready. Are you ready, Mo?
I am ready.
Right, let me take my shoes off. Here we go.
Right, 3, 2, 1, go.
Here I go. Boots on.
boots on to begin with.
I'm already struggling. Okay, one on. I'm nearly falling over. I'm good. And I'm pulling these up, right?
That's it, you're going to pull up that, so use the red
Got a good strap.
That's it.
There we go.
Pull that all the way up. And then get them over your shoulders.
Jump in.
That's it.
Okay.
Now you're going to put your tunic on.
How am I doing for time?
25 seconds so
Alright,
far.
I'm making 30 seconds, am I?
Yeah, you're not doing the 30 seconds, but you're still doing well. That's it.
MC Graham, firefighter. Here we go.
Now you can do the zip up.
Zip up. Got all the details. There's a lot of pressure. Can't handle this. Here we go. Up, all in, all the way up. Next.
That's it. Now you're going to do your helmet.
Helmet, hats off, helmet's on.
You're going to do the strap up. That's it.
Put in there. Okay.
And then you're going to do your gloves to finish off with.
Finish off. Okay. Left hand. Okay. One. Last one. I'm gonna make the minute. I can feel it. At home, are you timing me? This is definitely a minute, Mo. I can feel it. Last hand and done. And there you have it. MC Grammar, the firefighter. How did I do, Mo?
Oh, 1 minute, 10 seconds.
Nearly. Room for improvement. Next time, maybe. I think I look good as a firefighter. Do you know what, Mo? I think you'd look good as MC Grammar. Check this out. So, as soon as the alarm sounds, you only get 1 minute to get into the engine. The engine. Now, this is my favourite part. We get to have an exclusive look inside a fire engine, but I'm going to need some help. Becky, are you there?
Hi.
We're ready for our tour. Follow me. Wow, this looks super cool. But what is it, Becky, and how does it work?
So this is a breathing apparatus set. So we put this on when we go into fires or toxic atmospheres where we can't breathe properly normally.
Oh, wow. Can I try it on?
Of course you can. It's quite heavy.
All right, I'm ready. So what do I need to do?
So stick that round your neck.
Okay.
Sit like that. Okay, one arm in there, like a backpack.
There we go.
That's it. And the next one,
All right.
and lift up.
Oh, wow, that is heavy.
There we go. We're going to pop the belt on. Like so. And then pull these bits nice and tight, and then you can pull those like a backpack.
Okay.
That's it.
Wow. I'm ready to be a firefighter. Becky, I really want to ask you a question.
Sure.
Can I go inside the fire engine?
Of course you can.
Let's do this. This is exciting. Wow. Oh, this is amazing, Becky. So many gadgets and gizmos. So how many fire engines like this are in London?
So there's over 140 fire engines in London.
Wow, over 140 engines in London. Wait, that's another fantastic fact. Let's stick it in the thinking cap. Hold on a second. We've got 5 facts. It can only mean one thing. It's time to rap. Let me put my shades on so we can play the song. Let's go.
Hello, emergency operator. Which service do you require? Fire! Quick, I need help! And where are you located, sir? London! Please help me! Don't worry, you're going to be okay. We're on the way.
London's burning, London's burning, London's burning, London's burning. Fetch the engines, fetch the engines. Fire, 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 fire. Pour on water, pour on water, pour on water. Yo, you only get 60 seconds to get into the engine. Then another 6 minutes to the destination. From the station, we're racing and we're chasing.
But do you think we'll make it?
Yes, we're lifesavers. London's burning, London's burning, London's burning, London's burning. Fetch the engines, fetch the engines. Fire, 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 fire. Pour on water, pour on water, pour on water. Listen, there's over 140 engines, more than 100 stations. Both men and women, selfless, always giving their lives for the city to keep us safe and living.
Wow, they're superheroes, man.
So let me hear you sing it. London's burning, London's burning, London's burning, London's burning. Fetch the engines, fetch the engines. Fire, 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 fire. Pour on water, pour on water, pour on water.
Thank you for joining me on the first ever MC Grammar visits a fire station. I've had the best. Oh no, it's a call out.
What's going on? So what's happening is now the team on duty, the Blue Watch, have got a call. They've been mobilised. They're going to go to an incident. You're going to see the firefighters coming down. You can see them all sliding down the pole, and they're going to start getting into their operational kit, and then they're going to get onto the machine. They've got 60 seconds to do this and get to where they need to. The driver's just getting the details of where they're going. All the firefighters know where they are, where they're going. And as you can see, they've got that 60 seconds.
You saw how fast they were. I can't believe it. We saw a real life call out. I've had the best time at Shadwell Fire Station with the London Fire Brigade. Thank you so much, Becky. You're awesome. Thank you, Mo. Amazing. See? I told you they're real life superheroes.
MC Grammar visits.
MC Grammar, I heard you're a rapper too, right?
Yes, I'm a rapper.
And can you rap London's Burning?
I can rap London's Burning, yes.
Let's do it to the camera.
Right.
London's burning. Hey,
London's burning.
Hey, fetch the engines. Fetch the engines.
Fire, fire. Fire, fire. Pour the water.
Pour the
water.
God. There's new MC Grammar in town, isn't there?